The GoodCook Healthy Ceramic Titanium-Infused 8 Fry Pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It comes in a pretty light blue color. This pan is perfect for cooking many different foods. You can fry eggs, cook meats, and sauté vegetables easily. It is also great for making sauces. Plus, warming tortillas is a breeze. The non-stick surface is a dream to cook on. Food slides right off, and cleanup is simple. This GoodCook Healthy Ceramic Titanium-Infused 8 Fry Pan makes cooking more enjoyable. This 8-inch frying pan is also induction compatible. This means you can use it on all types of stovetops. The ceramic and titanium-infused coating makes it durable. It should last for many years with proper care. The pan heats up quickly and evenly. This helps your food cook perfectly. The handle stays cool to the touch. This makes it safe and comfortable to use. The light weight of the pan also makes it easy to handle. You will find many uses for this versatile pan in your daily cooking. Overall, the GoodCook Healthy Ceramic Titanium-Infused 8 Fry Pan is a fantastic choice. It offers great non-stick performance. It is easy to clean and use. The light blue style adds a nice touch to your cookware collection. While it's not clothing, it's a kitchen essential. There are no complicated policies to worry about. It's a straightforward and reliable pan. If you are looking for a good quality, non-stick frying pan, this GoodCook Healthy Ceramic Titanium-Infused 8 Fry is a winner. Pros: titanium-infused, healthy cooking, less oil needed, easy food release, even heat, all. Stovetops, induction ready, stay cool handle, light blue color. Cons: stains easily, may stick, small size, not fully non-stick, husband had sticking issues, only lasted 7 months for one user, chemical smell, white coating wore off. Features: healthy ceramic, titanium-infused 8-inch size, light blue color, induction ready, non-stick. Surface, for eggs, meats, for vegetables, for sauces, warming tortillas. This GoodCook 8-inch fry pan has a light blue color and a healthy ceramic non-stick surface that is infused with titanium. This helps food not stick and makes it easy to clean. The pan can be used on all kinds of stoves, even induction ones. It's a good size for cooking eggs, meats, and vegetables, as well as making sauces or warming up tortillas. This GoodCook 8-inch frying pan is designed for healthy cooking with less oil and features a titanium-infused ceramic non-stick surface for easy food release and cleanup on all stovetops, including induction. It has a stay cool handle and a light blue color. However, some users have reported that the pan may stick, especially for those who don't use oil, and that the light blue exterior can stain easily. There are also mentions of the non-stick coating wearing off, a chemical smell, and concerns about its durability, with one user experiencing issues after only 7 months of use.